guys? Welcome back to another episode in the Scott Barnes Show. And in today's video, I want to show you guys how I'm handling my handlebar mustache. Now, if you're wild and crazy and want to grow out your mustache into this hefty handlebar look, you're going to have to give yourself some time. And right now, I have given my mustache probably 3 months of growth. And we are definitely over the double lip. So I want to show you guys a technique that really works and some mistakes that can come along the way when styling out your handlebar mustache. So let's get right into it and get some mustache wax. And today we're going to be using Artist Man Mountain Air. If you guys can, find a nice malleable mustache wax. I do like the heavier, denser waxes, but it takes so long for it to heat up with the hair dryer, and I just want to throw something in that's really easy. So Artist Man is the way to go when it comes to a good mustache wax. As you guys can see, I use quite a bit of it, and it's not hard at all to peel off some wax. Where some waxes, I mean, you literally got to take off your fingernail to pull it out. So we're going to be using a good amount of Artist Man's mustache wax. And I like to have all the wax on my 3 fingers, so when I'm applying it, I can use every finger that I need to get every hair, pointed out. And that's what we're gonna do. So I'll start with my pinchers, and I just wanna loosely apply the wax on my mustache to give it direction and to give it place. So for me, the top part of my mustache, I need to get a little more application on those hairs so that way it starts flaring out to the side, which we want. And then we're going to use our thumbs to come under and actually bend out the handlebar. And this is it. This is the actual tip and style for today, is that we're going to want to use our pinchers on our fingers, and we want to actually pinch and pull up on the handlebar. And there's a point right here between our beard and our mustache that we want to separate. That way we're not pulling up our beard into the stash. We want to have a nice separation between the beard and the handlebar. Now, the big mistake that a lot of guys make is the twist. We don't want to twist our mustache, because what happens is it creates this long, stringy mustache look, which we don't want. We want a nice fluid, and that's why I say pinch. Pinch the hairs, don't twist them. We want to pinch and bend the mustache, so that way it flares out. And we actually want to pinch and bend the entire stash. We just want to pinch and bend, pinch and bend. That way when we're coming back down, it lays very natural. Now, just using our hands alone can be a difficult situation. We can always pull out the artillery and pull off the mustache to the side to help us out. If we're gonna be using a comb, we're gonna use the tip of the comb and pull it to the side. And we end up having a nice handlebar mustache. So stay away from twisting and bending up. We want to actually pinch and bend this way, so that way we have a nice natural lay of the handlebar. Now we're getting at an epic proportion of the mustache. I'm actually gonna push until November on the growth, so hopefully this will be just an enormous heap of mustache hero-ness. Yeah. And to finish everything off, why not? Because I'm getting ready for the day, I'm gonna put in some pomade as well to the hair, because my hair is a lovely mess, but we're gonna get it handled. Oops. So back to the front. This was not planned, but we're gonna do it anyway. I just wanted to get my hair done too. So same thing with the brush. Pull out the artillery if you need it. After a while, you don't even need a mirror. You just do it off muscle memory. And that's it, you guys. It's really simple to take care of the look. And that's pretty much it. You know, if you have a nice product and a tool to help you out, grooming the beard, the mustache, the handlebar, the hair, not too long of time it takes to style everything out. It's just, can you do it? And can you persist to use those things? Because we all say it takes too long to get ready in the morning, but in fact, it's really just the effort to do it. As you see, it's not too hard. We've got a nice look and a finished beard with the hair. It all just comes together. So pretty simple, not too hard. We just want to be persistent when it comes to style. That way our hair on our mustache knows where to lay. It gives it kind of a muscle memory. So get yourself a good mustache wax. If you guys want, go over to Artius. I got a promo code there. Put in Scott. Save you guys some money. And on top of that, make sure to be consistent on your style and your look. If we start going crazy here and crazy there, like I said earlier, our hair is not going to have too much of a memory to lay. So if we keep consistent and we keep that look on point, we're always going to have a nice styled look. So that being said, thank you so much for coming along on a quick, easy video. Make sure you guys are styling out that beard and mustache as best as possible. So like always, you guys like and subscribe. Check me out on all that social media. Love you guys like always. And I'll see you on the flip side. See ya! What are you guys still doing here? I thought this was the end of the video. Well, since you guys are sticking around, I think it's a good time to let you guys know that I'm going to be starting to add some more content to the channel. Yeah, I'm all about starting a new channel, but if you guys have followed me from the beginning, I know I'm a smaller channel, but I have, this will be my 10-year anniversary on YouTube. And I'm not the fastest growing channel, but I am consistent. So that being said, I've done a far wide in between of videos and topics. And I just want to throw out some more content because a few years back, I was providing that kind of content and I've been kind of narrowing down to the beard lately. But that being said, I need to film more, I need to get more equipment, and I need to just grow. And I can't grow without providing you guys more content, videos, and that being said, just new things to bring to you guys, because there's a lot of stuff in my life that you guys don't know about. So enough jibber jabber. I wanted to keep you guys in the loop in my mindset. I've been very stagnant, and when I do stagnant things, it kind of becomes a rerun for me where it just, if I can get this video out, I'm good to go. Where it shouldn't be like that. I need to, push my film skills to the limit, because before I was using GoPros and getting really cool shots, and lately it's just been stagnant shots, and I need to get back into my cinematography mode that I used to have. And so that being said, you guys, stick around for tomorrow's video. It was something that I did a while ago, but like I said, I just want to bring you guys something new to the channel. So stick around, you guys, and I'll catch you tomorrow.